Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I've been a bit busy lately and I don't have the time to make acne face pack or any acne creams, and I have a lot of marks here. If you can see, I had a lot of pimples, and I was looking for this really nice cream which will just get rid of all these dark spots, all my acne problems. So I came across this really cool cream. So this is by Mamaearth. It's Bye Bye Blemishes. I mean, the name is so attractive, right? So it will get rid of all your blemishes, I've heard. And they say this is toxin-free. All the products that they use is all natural, and this is pH balanced, and it's dermatologically tested, and it's really good for any types of skin. So if you have oily skin or dry skin, any skin problem, this is really good. And this is also good for parents, because this brand is being made by parents themselves for other parents, and they've really taken care in making these products by Mama. All types of skin, for oily skin or dry skin, this is really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. So this is for 5.99 rupees, and I got it from Amazon, and I'm really excited to try this. So let's start. This is what the bottle looks like. So I'm just going to quickly read how do you use this. So the directions are: take a pea-sized amount of cream on your fingertip, apply dots all over your face and neck, and massage in circular motion. Use it twice, day and night, for clear and healthy skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit of amount. Okay, this doesn't seem like it's gonna come out. Mamaearth, if you guys are watching, I'm having a problem with this. Okay. I'm gonna concentrate more on this area because I have a lot of dark spots and I have these small balls here. I'm going to massage it gently. I'm going to take a little more product and apply it here, especially this area. I want my acne and all these dark spots to go. Applied it. After you apply it, they say you might have that tingling feeling, because this is the part of the healing process. So don't worry if you're feeling a little bit itchy or okay, I think I'm actually starting to feel that. You can actually feel that the cream is really going into your skin. So guys, I can actually feel the tingling sensation, and I think this cream will work. So let's see what all products are used in this. So guys, they say this cream is used by daisy oil. I mean, they've used daisy oil, mulberry extract, and vitamin C. So vitamin C is really good for your skin if you want to lighten your skin, and this will correct all your dark spots. It will lighten your skin, and you know, this is free from all those toxins like parabens, and you know, it's used by all these natural products. So this cream is really nice. I think y'all should try it, and I'm going to try this for at least a month to see if I get rid of all these acne problems, and y'all should go ahead and try this one. It smells really good. And if you have any more questions, any doubts, let me know in the comment section below where you can get this cream. You can order it from Amazon. And if you guys want discount on any Mamaearth products, just use the coupon code Leena20, Leena 2020, and let me know if you want me to try any other products, or you know, what should be my next wake up video, or you know, y'all can let me know anything. And also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram account is Leena Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.